time. We got this camp, man. We finna get these videos off of y'all though. We just got off, you know what I'm saying, clocked out, you know what I'm saying, like a 9 to 5, we just clocked out. Before we get into this video, if you're new to the channel, leave a like, comment, and subscribe, man. Get us to 10K, we almost there, man. We're about to get on the helicopters. So skinny, bro. Oh, yeah. I'm gonna step on the thing.
Get on video.
What's up? Yeah, I have one. It's so loud.
Go ahead and show you how to use the seat because it's the most important thing for you right now. So when you come up to the seat, it's not going to be set up for you. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to sit down in it. Okay? After you sit down in it, you're going to have 4 tabs. You're going to have two on your shoulder, 2 on your waist. Okay? You're going to grab your shoulder, and you'll notice that there are 3 tabs here. This is your buckle tab, this is your restraining tab, and this is your release tab. Okay? Release tab is the very tiny one. This is the only one that you only need to touch 1 time. Okay? What you're going to do is you're going to place these in position. So your left strap on your left, the right strap with the buckle on your right. Your 2 straps, right and left shoulder. Okay? Once they're in position like this, I'm going to go ahead and reset them. I'm going to grab my release tab, lift up on it, grab my buckle tab, and pull down. Okay? Now I'm going to grab my buckle tab, my buckle restraint, and my left side one, and I'm going to put them 180 degrees across from each other. Okay? So straight across, it's going to go into the slot. You're going to hear it click. Now it's secure. I'm going to place this buckle on my belly button. Okay? It's very important. It stays on your belly button. I'm going to pull a tab until it's tight. Pull this tab until it's tight. Okay? If you tighten them up real high, you're going to end up pulling this belt buckle up. Alright? The only time you need to tighten these is if the crew chief tells you to. He might give you a motion like, go like that. Okay? That means double check that your belts are tight, because we're going to go into a scenario you don't want to be in. So to release it, this turns left or right, okay? You're going to turn it, hold, and apply pressure, and it'll all come loose. It'll all come out. You have 3 first aid kits. There's 2 on the left side of the aircraft on the back of the pilot seats, and 1 on the right side on the bottom on the right rear. The emergency exits are, of course, the cargo doors, your 3 and 9 o'clock position. Both cargo doors have a yellow and black release on the sides. If you pull that tab and pull the handle in the direction that it says to pull, the windows will pop out and you can get out through there. Okay? Otherwise, if you can open the door, you just turn the handle the way it tells you to. My crew chief vest has medical kit in it on the left side here. This is how you get to it. It's for me, not for you, just like any other thing in the military. We also have a tourniquet strapped on our vest in case we need that as well. Roger?
All right.
Is this the last move?
Talking too loud, made him quiet again. Dressed in a fashion, be silent again. Spoke down on me, but I'm rising again. Pull one over, oh, you must be tripping. Last strike, little nigga, you finished. Can't let shit get to my head. Fake ass niggas get left with the